Hey guys, you all know that YouTube Shorts are really getting super viral, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create very simple YouTube Shorts and you can promote any of the product with that YouTube Shorts videos. You can promote your print on demand store as well as you can also promote affiliate marketing products with that, and this is something which is really awesome and this is something which is really blowing up on YouTube. So now let's get started into the video and let's cover all the things in detail. Now we are already into our computer screen, and the first thing you need to do is just go and create a free account on Canva. Now we are going to promote this thing using the power of Canva. You can do anything, almost you can create a YouTube short regarding anything utilizing the power of Canva. See, the first thing is that the requirement for YouTube Shorts video is that the video needs to be in a vertical format. So you can just go to our video section over here and go to this mobile video. Okay, so now you can select the mobile video and you will find a lot of templates regarding this, and you can just create some really awesome looking thing for yourself. Okay, so now what we are going to do is we are just going to create a very simple template. Okay, we can utilize any of the text which is available over here, and then we will use the text to I will also show you how to make this, how to increase your chances of getting this YouTube short super viral. Okay, so all these things will be covered in this video. Keep watching this video, just don't leave this video. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is that you need to select some good template. Okay, so I think this one would be good. Okay, so now we have got one template. Now we need to change the video of this template. Okay, so I think we just have to, I will just upload this one of the mockup which I just downloaded from our Redbubble. Now we will be utilizing this mockup in this video, and then what we will be doing is that we will be creating a video out of this mockup. Okay, it is really interesting. Okay, so the first thing, we got this image. Now we can just put this image over here. Okay, now you can see now it is really looking something really trendy. Okay, now the second thing is this you can do is that now you can just write it over here. Just let me just delete this, I just don't like it. Okay, so here you can just change the text and just write get this great t-shirts, get this great t-shirts. Okay, I think it will be fine. Let's just take it over here, and now what you need to do is, this is one of the shape, we will be utilizing this shape over here, and then we'll be making it a little bit of bigger. We'll be adding some text, so you can see a text is available over here. So what we can do is that Control C, Control, we can just copy this text from over here. Okay, I don't think I can copy it from here, so we just go to over here in the text section and we can just get some text. Just type in over here link in description. Okay, so we have typed in over here what the link in description. Just make it smaller. Now we can just put it over here. Okay, and then make it big. Now just increase the size of it. I think this would be enough. Just make it readable. Okay, so now you can see all these things are done. Now let's just add some element to it, and that is arrow. Okay, you can just go to Canva elements and just type arrow. Maybe we can find something. Okay, so these are some really interesting ones. So now you can just grab any one of this. Okay, I think this one would be, in my personal choice, I think this would be the best one. Okay, just make it small, just replace it over here. Let's just place it over here. Okay, so now you can see this is a short video of ours which has been created by us. Okay, now just click on this time span and then you can increase its timing. As YouTube Shorts is something of 15 seconds, you can just take it for 15 seconds. Okay, and just click on this done. Okay, so now you can see a very interesting YouTube short video has been created for our YouTube. Okay, now the thing is that you just have created this video. You can also do this in Canva mobile application. Now I'll be showing you how you will upload this video to YouTube as a YouTube short and how to get it viral. All these things will be covered in this video, so keep watching this video. Okay, so now this has been done. Now you just need to download this video to your computer. Okay, so let's just download this video. So guys, you need to just go to the YouTube app in your smartphone. Okay, now this is something which has to be done with the smartphone, and you must have noticed that the video which we created on Canva does not have any music. Now I will show you the reason why it does not have any music. Now you just need to find something viral music just like this one. We found this on YouTube Shorts, and then you can use its sound. Okay, so just like TikTok, you can use the viral songs for your awesome video. Okay, in the same manner you can use this viral YouTube songs for your short video. Okay, so you just need to click on this icon which is downwards over here. Okay, once you click on that icon, you will just get this use this sound. Okay, so now you just have to click on this okay, so now we just done it. So now you just have to select the video that we selected over here. Okay, now we have selected this video for the YouTube Shorts. Okay, and then just click on this next button. Once you click on this next button, you just have to give some good title to it, like best t-shirts. Okay, just giving some of a simple title, best t-shirts for you. Okay, as the song is there on YouTube, and the thing is that you have selected a viral song which is related to this. Okay, so there is a very big chance that it may get super viral. Okay, and don't forget to just add this hashtag, that is hashtag shorts. Okay, now once you have added this short hashtag, you can just select it. You just have to make this video over here, just select public. Okay, for now I am just keeping it unlisted. Okay, so now you just need to upload this video to YouTube. Just press the upload button and you can see your video will get uploaded on YouTube, just like this one is getting uploaded on YouTube. After that, what you can do is that you can just open your computer and you can just give the proper title, tags and description to your video. Okay, once it has been uploaded to YouTube, and you just have to use the hashtag shorts. Okay, and your YouTube short video has been uploaded to YouTube, and there is a huge chance because YouTube has been pushing these videos really hard, so there is a huge chance that you will get a big opportunity. And if you keep uploading these videos regularly, there is a huge chance that you will be getting some awesome sales out of it. Thinking that why I have uploaded this short video with smartphone, because if you want to add custom music to your shorts video on YouTube, then you will just have to upload it with your smartphone. That is the only way which is available for now. So once your video has been uploaded, you just need to go to your computer, or you can also access YouTube Studio with your smartphone. Okay, it's really simple. Once you have gone to your YouTube Studio, you will find the latest video which you have uploaded. Now you just have to add proper title. Okay, so you have already given the title to your video, you just now need to give it some tags. Okay, so just I am showing you all the things on my YouTube channel properly, so just keep watching this. Okay, so you can see this is the video which we recently now uploaded. Now you just can see that here is the title of the video, so you just need to go to YouTube Studio on your computer, and then you can just add buy this awesome t-shirt. Okay, and just give dash and just write the name of the website. So I'm just going to write here, just give the link to that particular product. Okay, so for now I'm just writing redbubble.com, but you just have to provide the link. Okay, so now you have provided the link to buy this t-shirt, okay, to people. Okay, now you just need to also add here some tags like t-shirt. Okay, then you can add printed t-shirt. Okay, as well as you can add some more tags like best t-shirt for couples. Just like this, add some tags over here. Okay, and once you have added all the things, just add the link to that particular t-shirt over here, or particular product, Redbubble product which you want to promote. Okay, then you just need to have to select over here public, and then you just have to select public over here, and then just upload your video will be public on YouTube. So this is the entire process which you need to follow. Okay, this can be also done with a smartphone, but if you want to add this custom music to your videos, then this is the requirement. Okay, I know that it is a long process to be uploading this video to YouTube, and you need to take care of a lot of things, but the thing is that once you upload a video to YouTube, it remains on YouTube forever, and the thing is that it keeps on getting views for a very long period of time, and that's why this effort is worth it. Okay, you can just put this effort and just create more and more YouTube videos just like this, promoting your Redbubble store with YouTube shorts, and eventually you will start receiving some great amount of traffic with YouTube shorts. I hope that you have really understood all the things which I am trying to convey in this video, as well as you will just take action on this strategy. This is something of a long strategy, but definitely this is something that can really get you some awesome results. So guys, this is the entire thing which is happening on YouTube, and the thing is that people are really shifting towards this, and the thing is that this is really going big, and as YouTube shorts is relatively very new, YouTube is really pushing it and giving you the maximum reach possible. So this is the greatest opportunity which you should definitely take advantage of. So I hope you have understood all the things which I have covered in this video. Just press the like button, smash the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.